So this is lesson 2 of lap drumming, and all I'm going to really do is add a bass drum in. So it's going to change the sound, but there's not a whole lot more to add. But again, if you are really counting and you're watching the cymbals as you go and playing exactly what you see there, according to what you now know, then you'll find this really easy. If this is all new to you, then I'd suggest having a look at the first video so you get an idea of what to do. Okay, so all I'm going to do is add in a bass drum here and join them like that. I really should be a lot neater than this. And then another one here as well. So you will remember that the lower line, this should actually be on there. Okay, the lower dot, is your right foot, so the bass drum on an actual kit, and this one is your left hand. You don't need to worry about these stems, especially since they're so messy, but that's just part of music notation. You'll learn about that down the track. In the meantime, just have a look at the symbols there. So if you can imagine, well, you could probably work it out if you've looked at the first video. Now you've got a right foot on the 1 and on the and of 2, the and after 2, and again on the 3 and of the and of 4. So what you've got is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on my lap. I'll move the camera and show you how it goes. So this is the end result of playing what I've written on the board. Sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so all I've done is add 2 extra sounds. They are the bass drum sounds, so your right foot twice. This one might be tricky to get going if you've never tried anything like this before, which is who this video is aimed at. Let's go slowly. Right hand, right foot. Right hand on its own. And both hands. 2. Then we've got and. So right hand, right foot together. And then, same thing again. So again, this half is exactly the same as this half, but it all goes a lot quicker. So it seems to. It shouldn't actually, but it seems to go a lot quicker. So you really need to think and you really need to concentrate and count. Counting. Right, try again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's it.